In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy and paste from a PDF using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. This can be incredibly handy, whether you're collecting information for a project or need to transfer specific data into a report. Let's dive right in and make this process as quick and seamless as possible. First, begin by opening Adobe Acrobat Pro DC on your computer. Launching the application should be straightforward, and once you're in, you'll need to open the PDF file you want to work with. You can do this by clicking on File in the top left corner of the screen and then selecting Open. Navigate through your files and select the PDF document you intend to copy text from. This step sets the stage for easy extraction. With your PDF open, look at the content you need. Click and drag your cursor across the text to highlight it. This action selects the specific portion you want to copy. If the document is formatted with selectable text, this process should be smooth. However, you may sometimes encounter PDFs where the text isn't selectable. In those instances, the document might be an image-based PDF, which requires additional steps like using OCR, optical character recognition, technology, which Acrobat Pro DC also supports. After highlighting the desired text, right-click within this selected area. From the drop-down menu that appears, choose Copy. This copies the highlighted text to your clipboard, making it ready to be pasted elsewhere. Always ensure that all the text you need is selected before copying, as this saves time and prevents repetitions. Next, navigate to the document or application where you wish to paste the copied text. This could be a Word document, an email, or anywhere else you need the information. Once there, ensure your document is ready to accept new content. It's good practice to ensure formatting requirements are clear in advance, especially if you're pasting into a structured document. Now glance at the top toolbar of the application, click on Edit, and from here select Add Text if that's necessary for your specific application. This step is crucial if your target document is not already configured to accept text input. Once you've done this, proceed to select the specific area within your document or application where the text will be placed. Finally, right-click in the designated area and choose Paste from the pop-up menu. Your copied text will now appear in the document, ready for final adjustments or immediate use. By following these steps, you can efficiently copy and paste text from a PDF using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. It's a simple process that, once familiar, can save you a significant amount of time and effort. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other tutorials for more tips and tricks.